So courtly a reason moves my song that I cannot fail at it. Instead I must come to it better than I ever did before. And do you know why? Because the Empress summons me to it, and it would please me greatly to give it up if she would suffer it of me. But since she is the summit and root of teaching, it is not fitting that at her command my knowledge be weak or slow. Instead my skill must double. Song of slanderers whom God hates, so I want to curse them completely, and may God never forgive them, for they have said what was never true. For what she whom I obey has abandoned me, and thinks I have placed elsewhere my thought. I will die then by great failing, if I lose what I love faithfully. Because of what they say, that is nothing. But I do not abandon myself for that, for I have always heard it said that a lie cannot cover itself without dying at some season. It will yet be proven and shown how I am faithful to her, for I am so subject and bent to her from good desire, that in loving her my firm heart and my sense have taken up a contest. Each one thinks he loves more strongly, and if mercy does not hold good for me, then what will I do? I could part from it. I know, for I have learned to die in such a way that it will be supreme. For inside my heart I gaze on a face, and gazing and I languish, because she told me she will not give me what I have asked her for so long. And by this I do not slow down at all. Instead my thought doubles always, and I die so in a mixed up way. I will love her then like a thief, since I see she does not deign to suffer me. Yes, I will, for inside my heart I gaze on her, and I know it will be done to me, whether I want it or not. For the heart holds the body in prison, and has it so constrained and conquered, that it does not seem to me it has given it power to part from it. Instead I wait for how one can conquer her by suffering, for long suffering and mercy conquer there where neither force nor ingenuity avails. That it does not nor ingenuity avails. Nazi money will stand very well for me if I die for my lady sweetly, since I must die.